Hi and welcome to JFX Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to add or remove things or people from inside your pictures. So as usual, I'm gonna duplicate my background layer first so we can have a nice before and after overview. The first tool I'm gonna make use of in this tutorial is the patch tool, which is really useful for this kind of scenarios for removing or adding stuff inside the picture from the same picture. I'm going to zoom in the plant pot over here, and I'm going to just cut around the pot and its shadow like this, and zoom out, and then just drag the selection to an area that nearly matches as best as we can. Release, Ctrl D to deselect, and the pot is gone. Of course, the texture is not perfect because the wood has vertical texture. We can, of course, tweak that if we select this area here and take some bits from here, Ctrl D, and then this area here, and take a part from maybe here. And that looks much more realistic. And using the same patch tool, you can also add an object in the same picture. I'm gonna select the pen here, but this time instead of having the source selected here, I'm gonna switch it to destination. What this does is copying the information from this selection and moving it or pasting it to a different spot. Release, Ctrl D to select, and now I have two pens. So moving on to our next picture with people in it, I'm gonna use the same patch tool to get rid of this guy here. I'm gonna first duplicate the background layer and then cut the guy as roughly as I can. Also his shadow. And then, because in a previous picture we duplicated our selection using the destination setting, in this case we want to get rid of what's inside the selection, so we're gonna select source. So we just drag and drop to an area which fits the shadow edge like this. Ctrl D to deselect. Of course, this area again doesn't look really perfect, but we can fix it by using the clone stamp tool, a different tool which can get you similar results, if not better, than the patch tool. How this tool works is you alt click on an area, let's say from here, and then if you brush, it takes the texture from here and pastes it to here. I'm gonna take more from here. Something like this. And then we have it before and after. The guy is gone. And for the final part of this tutorial, I'm going to try to get rid of these trees at the edge of this picture. I'm going to increase my clone stamp brush size by pressing the square parentheses. Select an area from here and then just brush to here. And as you can see, the trees moved more to the edge. Just repeat the first step again. Take some bits from here and then brush over here like this. And now, because we have 3 duplicates here, just decrease the size of the brush a bit and then copy some bits like this and this. So it looks more realistic. And there you have it, before and after. And that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you found it useful. The patch tool and the clone stamp tool are really useful when it comes to removing elements or adding elements in a picture. Also, it's really good when you want to retouch skin, like blemishes or acne. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one.